Hey gym owners, what if I told you I had a very simple 3-step process that would double your gym in under a year? I have a testimonial that I'm going to share with you of a gym owner who worked with us, whose gym was open for 5 years before he started, and in just 10 months, his gym had doubled. And this process, by the way, it's like finger painting easy. So check out the testimonial and then we'll talk about it.
So I'm Albert. I own Crossfit G2 in Madrid, in Spain. The box has been open for 3 years, and I had the opportunity, and I was fortunate enough to go to Active Life's coaches seminar in April of last year. And one of the things that was sort of bothering me about the box was that we would gain 10 members or so a month, but we'd lose 6 at the back end, and that really wasn't sitting well because I didn't consider myself a good coach at the time, so I still don't consider myself a good coach, but definitely wanted to get better, and I took that opportunity with Sean and Jeremy to go over there and learn. And what I came to realize was surveying the people that were leaving is that a lot of them were leaving because they were getting hurt. Either not telling us or not complaining enough about things that were bothering them. So after that seminar, I got my business partner together, and we started implementing a lot of the stuff that I was learning through the Bulletproof programs, and then obviously the coaches program that I signed up for. So we opened a new box January of 2017. So we've been in that new space, let's say, for a year. We started with 160 people, and we've continually gotten between 10 to 15 people a month. But we are again losing those 6 or so. Mainly due to injury. Now we're at 310 as of this month, and we might lose 1 or 2 due to other situations that have nothing to do with injury. And we got a hell of a lot of resistance at first from that core group of people that were used to having fun games and stuff with warm-ups instead of doing one-arm presses, overhead carries, and one-arm kettlebell swings, right? But after 2 or 3 months, and they started, not having pain, and they started PRing all their snatches, and just everything seemed to feel good. They finally, we got buy-in from them in terms of, these practices, and just making sure that they understand that we don't make them do these things because we want to piss them off or anything, that we're looking out for them. And so I told Sean that story earlier because I hadn't had a chance to thank him in person when I knew he was coming, so I just wanted to let him know.
So as you can see, it's a very simple 3-step process. Step 1, put exit polls in your gym. Find out why your members are leaving. They're not leaving because their job made it too inconvenient for them to come. If that's what they write, what they mean is it's no longer valuable enough for me to shift my schedule around to come here. AKA, you're screwing the pooch. You're not doing a good enough job. If they say, my shoulder hurts, my back hurts, my knee hurts, which by the way will end up being your most common answer, all you need to do is solve number 1 problem. That's step 2. Figure out what the number 1 problem is. Why are you screwing the pooch? Are they hurt? Are they not having fun? Does the music suck? Whatever it is. Solve that problem, and then step 3, and this is most important step, enjoy. Your gym is going to explode in a good way. You're going to add members, they're going to refer their friends, they're going to be confident and comfortable coming to see you. Everybody is going to win. It all starts with an awareness campaign for yourself. Exit polls. If you want to be like the gym who we share the testimonial from, who by the way is in Spain, and we're in New York, so we can do this for you no matter where in the world you are, then we need to be talking about how we can go about helping you. Turn pro.